Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw Hello Kitty. The materials that you will need will be a pencil, a marker, eraser, and a choice of two colored pencils. I chose pink and blue. Are you ready? Let's do this. So we're gonna go with her head, kind of like an oval. Then her ribbon goes right here. And then when I draw her head, I kind of want to square it out to have the center. Will be her shirt. And then these are her legs. Don't forget that hoop in the middle. So here it goes, guys. We'll start with the ribbon. We got a circle, a big circle, and a couple small circles on the end. Then as the ribbon goes around, pretend that it's kind of like a triangle. So go up, down, and around. Again with this side, up, down, and around. And you got her ear right here. So you continue on this side for her head. Put the ear about right there. And her head goes, kind of just follow your pattern. Up and down. So, let's pause right there. If I'm going too fast, you remember you are holding the power, okay? You can pause it, you can rewind, or you can fast forward, however you want to do it. So we got her nose about right here, and those are her eyes. Don't forget the whiskers. So this is her shirt, her sleeves, and then her legs. And her hands about right here. You go kind of like a circle. And there it is. So there it is, guys. If you've gotten to this point, you are halfway through. Now, the next tool that we're going to use is a black Sharpie. Now, for your black Sharpie, all you gotta do is trace over your lines, trace over your pencil lines. You can add more detail, thicker lines, thin lines, however you wanna do it. Don't forget, you are the artist. There's no one like you. So, however you do it, it's just gonna be perfect. So here it goes. You got a big circle, and then you got the two little circles. Remember, just go over your lines. Then you got the ribbon. And on this side, same thing just like the other side. And here's the ear. Now here's a head now. You just follow your line, go right over it. The ear. Just go a little bit on the inside with the head and just follow all the way down. Now you've done the head. Now let's work on the inside to create her face. You got the nose. You got the eyes. The eyes are like oval. You can color in the eyes. And the whiskers. Okay, now there's her face. One thing I would like to say is, do not be afraid to use your eraser. If you think you made a mistake, erase it. Do it again. Erase it and do it again. It's okay to use your eraser. It's okay to make mistakes because you learn from your mistakes. So now let's do her body. There's her body, and her shirt is on the inside. Kind of like, let's say, not like a V, but kind of like a U to make that shirt. You're gonna make her sleeves down, straight out, and down. And then her hands, kind of like a little hill. And then like a bigger hill. And again, just like that. And just like that. Now let's work on her feet. Down, curve, and stop. Curve, and then back up. And then going like that. Now, what I like to do is, on all my characters, instead of them just on the paper, I like to make them think that they're on ground. Instead of just floating on the paper. It's up to you. You know, maybe my next session will be different. But this time, I'm going to put a ground under her feet. Any way you want it. Just scratchy scratch. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be any way you want. And there it is. Now, next step is to use your eraser and erase all those pencil lines. All the pencil marks that you made, erase them. Now that all the pencil lines are erased, time to use our colored pencils. For the ribbon, let's do it pink. Now when it comes to coloring, I don't want to say there's no technique, there's no skill. Because you kind of do have to color inside the lines or however you want to color it. Because the ribbon doesn't have to be pink. I just chose these two colors. The ribbon can be yellow, it can be orange, it can be green, you can just leave it white. However you want. You're the artist, don't forget that. So let's color in the ribbon. Color in pink. And for colored pencils, they don't have to be Crayola, they don't have to be Prismacolor, they can be any kind of colored pencils you want. You can just get them at the 99-cent store, you can get them at Walmart, anywhere. Any colored pencils works. Now let's color her t-shirt. Now next color will be blue. So let's pause real quick, and I would like to say, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please press that button, please subscribe, and please like, and leave a comment to let me know what character you would like me to teach you guys how to draw. So now let's color her shirt, her sleeves. And last but not least, I like to sign it. Well, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. The way I draw is pretty much basic shapes. I want to show you guys, I want to guide you guys on how to draw a character and even also graffiti. So basic shapes as circles, ovals, squares, rectangles, triangles, lines. I will show you step by step on how to draw these characters and also graffiti. So until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.